Yeah, like the whole car outside.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it was way better outside.
Damn.
Yeah, it was way better outside.
Shit.
My windows tinted, they can't see me if I'm in it. Long distance, I might use a.
Well, if you don't like Eggos, you're bugging. For real. Anyways, Supra's ready. They posted about it. They said it's complete. So your boy's about to say, hey, eat these Eggos. And then I'm either gonna take an Uber or I'm gonna have a friend bring me down there. But either way, we're gonna find out. So, Uber price is looking kind of slow. I don't know if I can see that, but 90 bills for an Uber? No. I'd rather just pay my friend gas money, so we're gonna figure that out. You said the hood?
Yeah, the hood's been painted.
Think so? Yeah, for real?
Yeah, you see those specs?
Yeah.
Those are specs of like when they spray the clear coat,
Uh-huh.
and then there's like dust in it, and then when it dries,
Fenders came out pretty good.
yeah, night and day, bro. I don't know, you actually, when you bought these, you could tell the difference too.
Yeah, right? Damn. So like, what's the process of it? Like, there's a certain way I gotta take care of it now? Like, how does that
I'll
go?
give you a sheet.
Alright, wait.
So, I mean, we got a 2-year one. So we got a 2-year warranty on it. You just gotta bring it once a year
Alright, that's cool.
for a maintenance wash. Touchless only.
Touchless only? Does it matter if I use like car wash soap sometimes or like
You should use one that says pH neutral.
pH neutral?
But if you go to the touchless, like if you hand wash.
Right.
But if you do the touchless, then you want to make sure you get the one that's just water and soap, no
Water and soap.
wax or none of that crap. Just,
Damn.
You know what I mean?
And then like, in terms of like wiping it down, like, how does that go?
So just get something really flush. Like these.
Ooh.
Something flush.
Damn, you sell any of these?
I'll give you one. I'll give you one.
Oh, where it looks. Damn, dope.
That and yeah, and that's pretty just like
Shit.
pretty much it. You know what I mean? Just try like you know this ceramic coating, especially the one that you guys try not try to touch the paint as less as possible.
As less as possible, right?
That's pretty much it. You know what I mean? If I'm gonna get caked up, like you're gonna notice, you're gonna, you know, especially if you go like, especially in the winter, you're gonna notice after a few weeks, like these parts of the car.
Looks shiny as hell.
It's wet. So you're gonna notice like these parts of the car.
Yeah.
You're gonna get like caked up, you know, with salt and stuff like that, especially because it's cold.
Right.
But you're gonna notice that the rest of this car is always gonna kind of, when you run into a touch, it's gonna look just like this.
Shit.
So stuff like that, you don't. If it's not too bad, you can kind of wipe it down a little bit. But if you see that it's still not coming off,
Yeah, just leave it.
just leave it and go to like a pressure washer or something and see if you can kind of get it.
And then like, in terms of like what to use on it, I gotta be careful with that.
So you don't want to use any spray wax, nothing. You just water, soap, dry down.
Damn.
But I got a whole thing for you.
Shit looks good, bro. Damn. I didn't know the hood was painted though. I really
The
didn't.
hood is definitely, yeah. 'Cause it doesn't look like the rest of the car, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even like, if you look at your fenders, you know how the clear is nice and,
Yeah.
but then we look at that bottom part of the hood there.
Oh, I see.
See how the light hits it? And
It's like kind of orange palish.
that's exactly what it is.
And
And believe it or not, it looks a lot better now because we got some of that orange peel off when we were using the pad and stuff. But it's still kind of evident, and it shows more like towards the edges of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, not so much right here, but like at the edge. So look at this door, and then look at that.
Oh yeah, I see it. Damn.
That's
Shit.
really what it is. Yeah.
Appreciate you, bro,
Yeah,
for
no
real.
worries. Fenders came out great. Only thing is, as far as fitment wise,
It's a little weird, right?
there's a reservoir here for the washer fluid.
Yeah.
So I don't know if they didn't compensate for that, but if come look,
It sticks out a little bit.
just a tiny bit. You see how it looks?
Okay.
And then if you look at the other side, it's flush. That's because
There's no reservoir there.
there's no reservoir.
I don't think.
It's hard, so you don't want to like, you know what I mean?
Push it.
Get too hard on it.
Don't look too bad.
Not that bad, but that's the reality of that one right there.
If I went with like straight carbon fenders, it would have been. Who knows? But it looks fine, bro.
Then these did not match.
Yeah, you was telling me about that.
Yeah, so yeah, that's why if not, your car would have been ready on Monday, to be honest. But these were the issue.
Oh shit,
The
it looks
holes
good though.
didn't match. We had big new ones.
Yeah, they're crazy with these fenders. I might just ask for my whole refund back. Nah, but it looks good, dude. Appreciate you, man. Damn.
So that, put in new holes. The tabs that it came in, they were broken. Well, these here, they're
Yeah.
almost like a one-time use type of thing.
Oh yeah, I see what you did.
So I went and got new ones. That's hence when I told you,
Yeah.
come yesterday, but I was like, no, never mind, because I had to go get new of these. So we got those on.
Sounds good to me, man.
Yeah, man, if you get new wheels and you want a ceramic coat, let me know.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Probably gonna do it for my birthday. Who knows?
Yeah, if you want to do that, we could coat those. Obviously, we didn't coat these, we just kind of cleaned
Yeah,
them
you
up.
just clean them up. But yeah, I'll probably do that.
Yeah.
I'm switching out suspension.
We took the pictures, those came out cool.
Yeah, he sent me them. Yeah, it looks really good though.
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, dude.
So here's like the aftercare on it.
I gotta go through this whole thing.
Yeah, just keep in mind.
Alright, word. Sounds good, bro. Let's get you paid, my guy.
Yeah. Here's your. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, word.
Of course, it's gotta be pink, baby. Damn. Yo, you don't know how bad I miss this damn car, bro. I was driving my mom's electric car. I was like, this shit is not it, dude. It's not it. Oh, you guys hooked me up with the interior clean?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I might sell the stock fenders. I'm not sure.
The what?
The stock fenders. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them or not.
Yeah. They're both there.
Damn.
No, another thing was that so we installed the fenders, but then we realized
What happened?
that the vents.
They didn't have nothing in there?
Yeah, well, we installed them, and then we realized, oh shit, the vents like over there.
Oh shit.
So
Looks
we got
hella good,
those
bro.
on there too.
Damn. I'm happy. Look good, bro. Every other car, bro, you know I'll bring back to you. That's how I work. Business is business, baby. Looks good. Sheesh. Finally got our baby back. Sheesh. This shit look nice, nigga. Side?
What, the fenders?
Yeah, like the whole car outside.
Oh, yeah, I mean, it was way better outside.
Damn.
Yeah, it was way better outside.
Shit.
Way better outside.
Even when I bought it, the paint ain't look like that.
Yeah,
Damn.
that's what I usually tell people. Like, usually it looks a lot better than when you bought it, because when you buy it, it don't really shine. I mean, it does, but obviously it's another level.
Nah, that shit look good, bro. I really appreciate you, bro.
No worries, man.
Shit. Damn. I got like an hour drive back.
It won't look like that when you get back.
Probably gonna have to wash it.
No, you gotta watch it for a week.
Oh shit, see?
Yeah, watch it for a week. I forgot to tell you that. Leave it exactly how you see it for
About a week?
about a week. And there's a little dust. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's a little dust here right now because we're working.
Nah, that shit look good though.
Yeah. But just wait a week and then you can touch this all the time.
Alright, word.
Like I told you. And if you have any questions, just, you got my number.
I just hit you.
Let me know.
Alright, word, bro.
Alright, check it
You the best, my boy.
No worries, man. Oh, I'm gonna send you a link so you could. I'm trying to build a Google review.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Alright, bro.
Ah.
331 miles, bro. Hell yeah, bro. I'm about to get up out of here. I got like an hour back to the crib, so just gonna enjoy this drive. 222 on the clock, baby. That's how you know. Destined, baby. But so yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this drive. I just filled up. Car looks absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna post about it yet. I'm gonna make sure this video goes up, then I'm gonna post about it. But I'm probably gonna go home, get a few shots, and then see where it goes from there. Sadly, your boy is in bumper to bumper right now. I don't know if y'all can see, but still got like 40 minutes to the crib, so hopefully it's still daylight out so I can get a little cinematics going. But other than that, shit's breaking necks though. Car's about to be dirty again, bro. Literally. But yeah, I'm gonna just try to get home as fast as possible. Yo. So I'm back in the bean, and yo, I'm so happy. It's been a week. Haven't enjoyed my baby in a week. She looks amazing. The fenders look good. I think I made a good choice. I did my little shots, got my little TikToks, and I just want to let y'all know, glad the Supra's back. They did an amazing job. The paint looks amazing. I can't wash the car for about a week, so I can't really, you know, can't really clean it. I had to do the shots with it dirty, but I'm just glad she's back and the paint looks good. Taking care of her, getting ready for the summer, but man, she looks good. And he was telling me about some fitment issues right here, but that's because the reservoir is there and he said he didn't want to mess with the carbon, so no complaints there. They did an amazing job. He took care of my baby, and he also cleaned my interior for me. So man, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, baby. Appreciate y'all.